everyone, I'm just doing a talk over video of how I'm installing some LED strip lights above the wall units and then across the extractor hood. I've got a video somewhere where I've put an extra flyover to bridge the gap. Put it up somewhere. So I'm going to put some LED lights above the wall units. And then across the window reveal, so I can cantilever across. So first step, the power. I'm going to use some kitchen sockets on the countertop to wire an extension lead. From there, so there's the extension lead I'm just wiring up. So I've got to remove the bottom shelf below the wall unit so I can get access into the voids. I'm just notching the corner out just to take the 3-core cable, so it just neatly slots in. So I'm just dropping the cable in the void, and then I'm just putting the shelf back in with the notched corner so the cable can just sit nicely in there. Just screw the shelf back in. So there's my extension lead in. Just got to wire up the plug. And then just do a bit of a test power just to make sure it all works. So we're using the same LEDs, the plinth lights. So we've got cool white, warm white and dimmable options. So that's the power sorted. Next bit is the profile, which is the bit of the fiddly bit. So I'm just using masking tape just to set out where my profile is going to run. Did a 45-degree cut on the miters. So this is the starting point where the driver is, where the power comes from. I've got my trunk, well, aluminium profile.
Power cable going into profile. This.
I think the plan is to run the driver in some sort of plastic conduit just to keep everything tidy and neat. And just put a lid cap on. So I'm just taping up the profile. A nice tip is to wrap it with some masking tape and mark it up using a set square, and then using a jigsaw with a metal blade to do 45 cut on. So it leaves a nice clean cut. And it does help prevent the diffuser from shattering and splitting with the jigsaw, so you can see it's a nice clean cut. Yeah, the plastic's in one piece. So just on the last sort of leg of the aluminium profile where it suspends across the window. Just trying to work out, just make sure I've got everything in place, everything's all cut to size. I found a sort of like a suspended hanging system that they used for sign holders, so it's ceiling mounted. So I'll show you that in a bit. So this bit's just using some double-sided tape just to put everything down. I had to use a bit of scrap chipboard just to pack out that rear bit, return bit. So, putting the plastic conduits in with the driver. And this is the hanging wire system I'm talking about. So using some lasers, I'm just marking out the centre point of where I want to put this ceiling mounted hanging system. It's a trapeze system, so it's adjustable to whatever height you need, which is quite handy. So it's a 5 or 6 mil hole with a raw plug. It's just ceiling mounted. It's got a trapeze adjustable wire system, so adjust your height to whatever you need. So it's from signholders.co.uk, and it arrived in a couple of days, so quite good. Using some double-sided tape, put some back-to-back profile so it projects up as well as down. So there's the hanging system at work. And then the bottom profile actually finishes, butts up to that wall unit. So it's got the light strip's going to loop around. Just seen a bit. So now I'm just dry fitting the light, just putting it all in place. Tricky bit's doing the corners. You've got to sort of gingerly bend it around, and I'm just looping the light tape over and under the profile, and just doing another test power just to see what it's like, make sure it's all okay. So there it is, sort of looping round and under, so it projects top and bottom. So I'm just fitting the plastic diffuser in place, so it's a snap-on. Then the last bit, just using self-adhesive, just peeling back and sticking the light strip to the aluminium profile, and that's it. That's finished. So I think this is the cool white, and then the warm white effect, and then this is the night mode 10%. So I'm matching the plinth, and we've got two different remotes, so they operate independently. And there we go. Nice bit of feature lighting and additional lighting over the sink. So thank you for watching, hope you all enjoyed it, and hopefully another video coming soon.